Number 1. 1978 GMC Sierra Grande 2500, $6,500, Grants Pass, Oregon. This 1978 GM Sierra Grande 2500 Camper Special represents one of GMC's finest heavy-duty pickups of the late 1970s. Equipped with a 350 V8 engine and automatic transmission, it delivers reliable performance for both hauling and cruising. With 99,000 miles and new front brakes, a fresh water pump, and V-belts, this truck runs strong and drives comfortably. Power steering and power brakes enhance drivability, making it a solid example of a well-preserved workhorse ready for weekend adventures or vintage restoration. Number 2. 1987 Ford F250 XLT LARIAT, $250, Scottsdale, Arizona. This 1987 Ford F250 XLT LARIAT is a beautifully maintained one-owner Western truck powered by a robust 460 V8 engine. The body is rust-free, accident-free, and paired with a clean title. Its camper shell, tow package, and power accessories show this was a premium trim in its day. The carburetor may need a rebuild, but the truck remains largely original and complete. With only 129,000 miles, it's a highly desirable survivor from Ford's final square-body era, offering luxury and strength in one package. Number 3. 1986 Nissan Hard-Body XE Extra-Cab, $6,500, Pleasant Hill, California. This 1986 Nissan Hard-Body XE Extra-Cab is a one-owner California gem, meticulously maintained since new. Featuring a V6 engine and 5-speed manual transmission, it comes with full service records, a clean title, and registration through 2026. Recent maintenance includes a timing belt, clutch kit, catalytic converter, and brakes. With its excellent reliability, factory air conditioning, and clean body, this truck represents the best of Nissan's durable engineering during the 1980s mini truck boom. Number 4. 1979 GMC K25 4x4 Sierra Grande, $10,000, Lakewood, Washington. This 1979 GMC K25 Sierra Grande 4x4 Camper Special is a rugged classic built for performance and longevity. Powered by a 350 V8 with a 4-speed manual transmission, it delivers 130,000 miles of dependable service. Equipped with locking hubs, dual fuel tanks, and new tires, it's ready for both off-road use and restoration. The clean Washington title and solid mechanical condition make this a valuable piece of GMC's heavy-duty pickup heritage. Number 5. 1982 Volkswagen Rabbit Diesel Pickup Caddy, $7,250, Gilroy, California. This 1982 Volkswagen Rabbit Diesel pickup, known as the Caddy, is an increasingly rare collectible. With its 4-cylinder diesel engine and manual transmission, it's renowned for outstanding fuel efficiency and European styling. Although it carries a salvage title, the truck is rust-free and mechanically excellent, featuring a rebuilt cylinder head, new water pump, and excellent paint. A true survivor, this Caddy stands as one of Volkswagen's most iconic small trucks, appealing to collectors and enthusiasts alike. Number 6. 1986 Ford F-150 Long Bed, $15,000, Santa Monica, California. This 1986 Ford F-150 Long Bed captures the spirit of classic American muscle in pickup form. Powered by a legendary 5.0-liter V8 and 4-speed automatic transmission, it's built for strength and reliability. The Long Bed offers practicality, while its original white paint highlights authentic patina. With only 56,000 miles, this F-150 is a rare low-mileage survivor, ideal for collectors seeking a clean, period-correct truck ready for weekend cruises or light-duty hauling. Number 7. 1986 Ford F250 6.9 IDI 4xED, $11,500, Post Falls, Idaho. This 1986 Ford F250 6.9 IDI diesel 4x4 is a well-preserved workhorse with family ownership since the early 1990s. With only 69,507 miles, it runs and drives excellently, boasting a straight, rust-free body and new all-terrain tires. The 4-speed manual transmission, clean title, and detailed service history make this a reliable classic for daily driving or restoration. Its 6.9-liter international diesel engine is known for durability and torque, making this a standout in Ford's utility truck lineup. Number 8. 1987 Ford F350 7.3-liter diesel, $11,000, Lincoln, California. This 1987 Ford F350 single cab is a heavy-duty legend featuring the powerful 7.3-liter diesel engine. With only 58,000 miles, it remains in solid condition and capable of towing over 10,000 pounds. While cosmetically aged, the mechanical heart of this truck, the 7.3-liter Power Stroke predecessor, is its selling point. Clean title, two-wheel drive, and an honest presentation make it a reliable investment for enthusiasts or those seeking a tough vintage hauler. Number 9. 1987 Dodge W150, $12,500, Florence, Oregon. An all-original survivor, this 1987 Dodge W150 4x4 embodies the toughness of Dodge's classic truck era. Apart from updated wheels, tires, and exhaust, it remains untouched and authentic. With 140,000 miles and a clean title, it's a solid example of Dodge's early Ram heritage, offering both collector value and functional usability. Trucks like this are becoming increasingly scarce in unrestored original condition. Number 10. 1989 Ford F250 XL 4x4, $14,000, Bloomington, Minnesota. This 1989 Ford F250 XL 4x4, originally from Oregon, has been preserved in excellent condition by one family since new. Powered by a 460 V8 engine, it features dual fuel tanks, an automatic transmission, and a spray and bed liner. With 124,000 miles and a clean title, the truck's rust-free body and recent fuel and steering system updates make it ready for work or display. It's a fine example of Ford's late 80s heavy-duty craftsmanship. Number 11. 1964 Chevrolet El Camino, $11,999, Redondo Beach, California. This 1964 Chevrolet El Camino combines muscle car power with pickup utility. Equipped with a 383 V8, Edelbrock carburetor, and turbo 350 automatic transmission, It delivers strong performance and a distinctive sound through dual Flowmaster exhausts. Additional upgrades include power steering, front disc brakes, and a clean California title. With stylish silver paint and rally wheels, this El Camino blends classic looks with modern drivability, an American icon that bridges work and performance. Number 12, 1964-65 Ford F250 4x4 manual, $14,000, Shingle Springs, California. A unique hybrid build, this 1964-65 Ford F250 4x4 blends rugged functionality with vintage appeal. The truck sits on a 1964 4x4 frame with 1970s highboy axles and upgraded leaf springs. Powered by a V8 with manual transmission, it's equipped with power steering and a rebuilt title. With its 24,910 miles and decades of history, this F250 is an exceptionally strong classic pickup, tailored for off-road strength and nostalgic design. Number 13, 1966 Chevrolet C10 Short Bed, $12,500, Wilton, California. This 1966 Chevrolet C10 Short Bed Fleet side pickup is a desirable vintage project featuring a 327 V8 and automatic transmission. With power steering and a clean title, the truck remains largely original, but needs a rear seal before running again. The classic black finish, solid body, and short bed layout make it a valuable base for restoration. Its timeless design and muscle-era styling ensure strong collector appeal. Number 14, 1960 Ford F600, $800, Auburn, California. A true classic hauler, this 1960 Ford F600 features a Y-block V8 engine, manual transmission, and a 16-foot flatbed. Though it has been parked for some time, the truck ran when parked and comes with a clean title. Ideal for restoration or parts, it represents the sturdy mid-century Ford medium-duty trucks that built America's small businesses and farms. At $800, it's a bargain entry into the vintage truck hobby.